If your iPhone is not sending messages after the update, we will introduce various effective solutions in order, from simple to more advanced. Fix 1. Check network connection. Note, this will not erase data, but Wi-Fi passwords and VPNs will be removed. Step 1. Go to Settings Wi-Fi and connect to a stable network. Step 2. Or open Settings Cellular and make sure cellular data is enabled. Step 3. Turn airplane mode on, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. Step 4. If the issue persists, reset network settings, Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone tap Reset network settings. Fix 2. Ensure iMessage is enabled. Step 1. Open Settings Messages. Step 2. Make sure the iMessage toggle is turned on. Step 3. If it is already on, try turning off iMessage, waiting for 30 seconds, and then turning it back on. Fix 3. Check iMessage settings. Step 1. Open Settings Messages Send and Receive. Step 2. Make sure your Apple ID is correctly logged in. Step 3. Check the correct phone number and email address. Step 4. If there's an issue, try signing out of your Apple ID and then signing back in. Fix 4. Check Apple servers. If iMessage isn't sending, the issue may be with Apple's iMessage servers, not your device. Check Apple's official system status page to see if the service is down or under maintenance. If so, you'll need to wait for Apple to fix it. Fix 5. Restart the iPhone. iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, or newer. Press and hold volume plus side button, slide to power off, then hold the side button to restart. iPhone 6, 7, 8, or SE 2 and 3 are Gen. Press and hold side button, slide to power off, then hold the side button to restart. iPhone SE 1 Street Gen. 5, or earlier, press and hold top button, slide to power off, then hold the top button to restart. Fix 6. Update iOS system. Step 1. Open Settings General Software Update. Step 2. Check if there is an available iOS update. Step 3. Connect to Wi-Fi and complete the update. Fix 7. Using iOS system recovery. If basic fixes don't work, corrupted iOS system files might be the cause. Manual troubleshooting may fail in this case. iOS system recovery can fix system-level issues without deleting your data, including iMessage or text message problems. Step 1. Download and install the tool on your computer. Once the download is complete, open the program and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer and trust the connection. Then, click Start and follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. Step 3. Select Standard Mode and click Confirm to continue. The tool will begin downloading the necessary iOS firmware. Step 4. Once the firmware is downloaded, click Repair to start the repair process. The tool will fix your device and resolve issues such as iPhone not sending iMessages. Fix 8. Restore iPhone to factory settings. If previous methods don't work, restoring your iPhone to factory settings may fix the issue. Be sure to back up your data first to prevent loss. Step 1. Go to Settings General Reset Erase all contents and settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the Erase iPhone option to confirm your action and start to hard reset your iPhone to factory settings. Fix 9. Contact Apple support. If software solutions fail, the issue may be with the SIM card, account restrictions, or hardware. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for further diagnostics.